How to sell USDT on Binance with Gcash withdrawal. So to sell USDT on Binance P2P, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Binance application. And once you launch the Binance app, go to the trades option from here, from the bottom center. Then from the top right, just navigate to the P2P section as you'd be able to find. Now just go to the sell option because we're trying to sell USDT over here. So select USDT. Then here just click on the sell option next to any of the ones that you wish to sell. Now you can simply sell by fiat or by crypto, but you can simply enter the quantity that you have. Then in this set a payment method option, you can simply select any of the other payment methods that they support, which also includes your Gcash, and withdraw them to your Gcash. This way you'll be able to sell USDT on Binance P2P. I hope that this video helped you, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.